Hi everyone, so these are all keyboard cleaning brushes. You can use these brushes for keyboard cleaning. I'll open and show you guys one. So you'll get a cover along with these brushes, and this is how the brush looks like. So these are very soft bristles and you can easily clean your keyboard with this.
You can also use these brushes to clean your car's interior like AC vents and dashboards. It's a multi-purpose cleaning brush. You can use it for anything.
This is how you'll get the packaging of these keyboard cleaning brushes.